Hi guys, today we are making Salisbury steak. Salisbury steak is a comfort food made with the seasoned ground beef patties. The ground beef patties are going to be seared in a frying pan, and then it's going to be cooked more in a mushroom sauce. Okay, let's get to work. Hopefully you follow my recipe. For Salisbury steak, you need Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, minced meat, breadcrumbs, brown mushrooms, sweet pepper, onion, ketchup, rosemary, thyme, dill, and parsley. I added to 2.5 pounds of minced meat, 2 tablespoons of Italian parsley, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, 1 orange sweet pepper, 1 tablespoon of thyme and rosemary, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of dry basil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 eggs, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. Once all the ingredients are in, mix thoroughly until everything comes together into a smooth and well-seasoned mixture. Now it's time to form the patties. I am using a hamburger press to keep them evenly shaped and perfectly uniform. I ended up with 12 evenly sized patties, just right for a satisfying dinner tonight. Heat up 2 tablespoons of your favorite oil in a large skillet. When the oil is hot, carefully place the patties into the pan. After 3 minutes, flip the patties and let the other side sear beautifully. In about 3 minutes per side, you need to get perfect crust. Okay, the first batch is ready. Gently remove the patties and transfer them to a dish. Next, add the second batch of patties to the pan and repeat the same cooking process. Okay, great. All the patties are done and they're looking amazing. I guess I wish you were here. The aroma in the kitchen is so incredible, and honestly, it's making me so hungry and so impatient to dig in. Okay, now comes the best part. It's time to make the sauce. Begin by finely dicing 1 onion, Then we slice all our brown mushrooms and getting them ready to go and get sauteed. Using the same pan from the seared beef patties, saute the onion and mushrooms to capture all the rich flavor which are still in the pan. Once the onions are lightly caramelized, go ahead and add mushrooms to the pan. Give it a good stir, making sure every piece gets evenly sauteed. Now add a little bit of salt. This will help the mushroom releases their natural moisture and cook down beautifully. We want to cook off all the excess moisture. All the moisture is cooked off and the mushrooms and onions looks incredible. This is pure flavor which is caused by caramelization of onion and mushrooms. Now I'm adding the chicken stock and letting the mixture simmer for a few minutes. This is where the flavor really starts to come together. For our side dish, I've got 1.5 pounds of small potatoes, seasoned them with olive oil and Italian seasoning, roasted in 450-degree Fahrenheit oven about 20 minutes. They come out crispy, golden, and delicious. Next, I'm adding about half a cup of fortified red wine. It is already perfectly sweet, so no need to reduce and get rid of alcohol. We are keeping all the wonderful flavor and character. To give the sauce a nice silky texture, I mixed 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in some cold water and added into the pan, stirring until it thickens. Next, I put all the patties back into the sauce and let them simmer for about 3-4 minutes. This is when they soak all the rich and delicious flavor. For extra flavor and pop of color, I decided to add some green peas and cubed carrots as a second side dish. Wow, just look at this beautiful combination. Dinner is ready. Salisbury steak served with golden oven roasted potatoes and tender green peas and carrots. A perfect heartwarming comfort food for a chilly winter night. Okay guys, we did the Salisbury steak today with a side of potato, oven roasted potato and some vegetable, peas and carrots. Let's make a plate and for myself and see how it does taste. Oh wow, I'm truly speechless. This meal is incredible. Every bite burst with flavor. I just can't even find the words. Fantastic, so delicious. I hope you make this recipe and share it with your friends and family. A fabulous dish, comfort food, and hopefully to see you in another episode of Delicious Food. Okay, bye.